This video is sponsored by Squarespace. What's up? So back in June, I made this crochet flower top, and honestly, it's probably one of my best work. Unfortunately, it took me like 80 hours to do. And a lot of you guys told me, hey, you should probably make a matching skirt to go with it. But honestly, after spending 80 hours on this top, the last thing I wanted to do was make another crochet flower. So I asked you guys, if you wanted to send me some crochet flowers and then possibly I can make a skirt or make something else with it. And honestly, when I asked you guys, I thought, you know, max, I would get like 7 flowers total. Maybe 20? This should be all of them that you guys sent me. I have no idea how many are here, but I'm gonna open up every single one of these and then decide what I'm gonna make with it. Look at the 2 cute flowers she sent. Wow, from Manitoba. Look at these. I feel like I need a plan for this. Look how cool these are. So if you guys didn't see my message, you have like no idea what I'm doing right now. Back in June, I did put it out there on my Instagram and YouTube asking you guys to send me 1 or 2 flowers. Some of you guys sent me 1, some of you guys sent me 2, some sent me 60. That is okay. I still want to use them all. These are, by the way, incredible. Look how detailed this is. Where did you find red this bright? The Netherlands. Okay, that's why. There's nice yarn there. One has a solid card in it. Well, I was not expecting to get more than 7 flowers, like I mentioned. I also was not expecting to get invited to a graduation party. I feel pretty honored. Unfortunately, I did miss it. It did happen 6 weeks ago. She's from Norway. All the way from Norway. I do have a little confession, because I've been getting these, like I got these like a month or so ago and they just kind of been taking up space in my apartment. I did open some of them because some of you guys sent bigger packages and some of them even told me kind of what they were on the front and like the duty, like when you claim it to get into Canada. And some of you guys sent chocolates. So I opened them and I already ate them all. This is a ginormous poppy. Like this is perfect for Remembrance Day. Legit one of my favorite color combos ever. Like, where are you guys finding this bright red yarn? I want it. I think I'm gonna have too many for a skirt. Or should I just make like a comforter for my bed? I don't know. There's beads in here. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. Someone sent you dog treats from Tokyo. Okay, sit. Jack gets one. Give me your rating. Benson gets one. What do we think? You inhaled that, so I'm assuming you liked it. So we're just gonna take a quick break from the video because today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. If you guys have not heard of Squarespace before, they are this amazing company where you guys can create your own professional looking website. Personally, I've been using Squarespace ever since college and I actually use them right now for my website. A few things I love about Squarespace is 1, you can have an online store with physical and digital products. 2, I love that you can offer local pickup to your local customers. 3, if you're not a designer like myself, but you don't have anything you want to sell, you can also have an online gallery feature and actually put a password for your clients. Head to squarespace.com/JennaPhipps to start your free trial, and then after free trial, be sure to use my code JennaPhipps at checkout and you'll get 10% off your website or domain. I legit was just gonna ask you how you made these flowers and you wrote down the pattern for me. If anyone wants to make them, here's the pattern. Honestly, I really hope one of these packages I open, there's something like really weird in there, like, I don't know, like your dead dog's hair. And you saying that it reminds you of Benson or Jack. And that you thought I'd like it. Stop. My 2 favorite foods. Ramen and pizza. 10 out of 10 flowers. I am gonna be so... This is an awesome envelope. Is there a sticker? It's a toad with a hat. Give Benson and Jack an ear scratch for me. This, I don't know what it's with red yarn, but the red yarn you guys are finding, I need in my life. And I never can find nice red yarn. Frank says hi. This is Frank. I got a book. Travel Notions. Can we not make a mess? Okay. I love when you guys don't finish them. You're like, Jenna, we put enough effort into these. You can weave in the ends. Which one? This one? This is the one? I don't think there's treats in here for you, Jack, but we can try. Oh, there's another package in here. Whoa. You picked a good one. Is this the one? This is your favorite? This is it? Yeah? Don't ruin it. Drop it. This is the one Jack picked out. Oh, look at those ones. No. Stop. It's a crock. Okay, ready? What do you think? I got candy from the Netherlands. What did I get? What did I get? Flowers! Here are some fun Dutch words. Shield toad, turtle. Hand schoen, glove. Stofzuiger, vacuum cleaner. Piep, schim, styrofoam. Upstate New York City. Bow down. Hi Jenna, Benson, Jack. I'm sorry I didn't weave in the ends. I'm running late for work. Take one for the team and I'll weave in your ends. Australia. We're so prepared mailing all these flowers. Like, so many of you guys put these in plastic bags just in case it got wet, the letter, and I appreciate that because now I don't have to go buy Ziploc bags because now I got 72 of them. Oh, Benson! Jackie, you look so handsome! Except your rolls kind of cover it. Wow, Benson. That looks so good on you. The petals on the flowers are glow in the dark. Oh wait, they just been in the dark. It does taste like popcorn. Oh! Okay, so I got everything organized. I got rid of all the wrappings, all the packaging. I got everything organized from the letters, the flowers, the little gifts you guys sent me. And I even had time to count all the flowers, which I feel like you guys are gonna be a little shocked to hear and see how many flowers I actually got. Or at least I'm shocked. Like, remember how I thought I was gonna get 7? I got 700. I haven't checked my P.O. box in a little bit, so I'm gonna go there pretty soon now to go check to see if there's any other packages I can open up tonight. But so far, I'm at 709 flowers. What am I gonna make with all this? 80 or 90 for my shirt, for like a little bit of perspective. 700? That's like 2 dresses. Also, here's all the gifts I got. I did get like chocolate and gummies and more chocolate, which are not here because I either ate it or still in the process of eating it. Stop! Oh, do you guys want to see them? 2 days ago, I got new biking glasses. If you saw me on the street right now, how fast do you think I'd be going on the bike? Better question. How fast do I look? If you guys saw me on a bike right now, you'd think I'm a fast cyclist. So fast you can't even see me. So fast. Oh yeah, yesterday. So yesterday, I went to the post office, went there. No packages. You guys gave them to me all on time. Thank you. So I should have everyone's. Another thing is, I spent 4 hours yesterday unpackaging those packages. I had 708 for a while, but then I found a flower, so I have 709 now. So my guess is I got about 300 packages. I can't comprehend. First of all, thank you guys so much. Like, it blows my mind that you guys would do that. Second of all, I appreciate it. Like, this is gonna be such a cool project. So I need to make this project like incredible. So I need to do some major brainstorming. I was too tired after opening them for 4 hours yesterday, so I didn't really brainstorm. But I have no idea what I'm gonna make. What can I make with 709 flowers? Should I go on a bike ride? Should I make a Cinderella ball gown with crochet flowers? I should brush my teeth. I think I know what I'm gonna do. For this dress, I want to do like a ball gown, kind of what I was talking before, a big dress. It might not be a Cinderella dress, but I want to do a nice long dress with all these flowers. One thing I have to do in order to achieve this is not just sew them all together, because I'm realizing if I sew all this together, the structure is not gonna look very good because it's gonna be heavy. It's gonna be sagging, it's gonna be stretched down, so the top flowers not gonna look good, and we want the bodice to look very nice. So I'm gonna do this right, even though it might take me 73 years to do. It's okay, I said I was gonna make something with this, and I'm gonna stick to that. So I will, what's that word? Not suffer, that's a bad choice of word. Take one for the team, it's like that. Volunteer. I will volunteer 73 years of my life in order to create this dress for the world. So, idea, this is my plan for this whole dress. So 1, I need to design and sketch it. This was a good mock-up. It kind of got the juices flowing in my brain, so that is great. 2, after I sketch it, I need to make the pattern because I'm gonna be sewing a dress first, which is gonna be very basic. It's just gonna probably be like a white cotton woven dress underneath. Just, you know, almost like a draft. That's what I'm creating. And then after I created that, that is when 709 flowers come into place and I hand sew them all on there. I just realized I had to hand sew 709 flowers onto a dress. What have I got myself into?